Okay, so once you have all of your color selected, the next thing you want to do, these are the kind of the off states for the buttons. And in the real game, there are like lights or LEDs underneath, and they light up. And yeah, they make the buttons appear brighter. So, question: how do we do that then in a kind of graphic design software like that? Lots of different ways, lots of different effects that you could do. You can add to this. Once you've got your colors added, so again, we've just added those from the Thunkable color scheme. This is, I think, a really nice tip or a trick to kind of give that on-off effect. So this is something that I think kind of comes up over and over again. When you're designing things, you want kind of a default state, and then you also want a clicked state, and you kind of like change it or update it so that you can see it. But this is a really simple tip here. So in the color section, so we selected here, we've got the color of the component, and then we have the color format. So hex is usually what we use, or RGB. Those are both supported in Thunkable as well. But an extra one here is HSL. It's the hue and saturation, the luminance. So what you can do is just dial these up, go on a scale of 0 to 100, so we can make this brighter. So go up to, let's just add 10 to that. Let's make that 79, and then let's make this one 85 like this. And you can see now that these are much, much brighter or lighter than the other one. So same idea here. Not sure if we can make that 109. Let's try it. No, I'm going to go up to 100, and let's make that up to 79. It's still be brighter. That's okay. This one is a dark color to begin with, so this will be very obvious. It's much brighter now. I think that's pretty good. And again, you can play around with it. So that's as high as it's going to go. Let's try 60 for that. Maybe we want to make it a little bit brighter. Maybe 65. Okay, happy enough with those. And that's it. Then once you're ready to download these, you should probably rename them, I guess. So like rename here, and this could be button 1. Button 1. I'm going to make it off, and then let's download that one. And then this one here, we'll rename that, so Command or, and this is button 1. So let's put that here. Done. And then let's just see what that looks like in Thunkable. Create a new screen here very quickly. Pop in a button here. Excuse me. We'll get out of the way. And width and height. Again, we were saying let's make this 150 because we made these originally a lot bigger. So change that background here. Let's upload those 2 images. Those 2 files. They're in my documents there. And let's get rid of this fill. Let's make it transparent. The image we want here is going to be off, be the darker color. And then when we go to change it in the code, it'll be a nice bright one. So that's it. That's how to create your assets, kind of little segments out of your donut chart. How to grab colors from wherever you want using the eyedropper tool, and brighten them using the HSL values to create the off state and the on state. So best of luck with that. Looking forward to seeing all the designs that come out of this.